Hello, welcome to No Inches DIY. Here I am. I'm doing the last of my security screens with some new fly wire. I was meaning to do this for the last 2 years, but yesterday there was a catalyst. We scraped some furniture on the fly screen door, put a big tear in it, so good enough opportunity to do all of them. So I've got them off, got the old stuff out. You just get it out with a little screwdriver. Then give the frames a hose off, and I'll roll this out, and I'll put. This is the rubber that came out. It's in as good a condition as the new stuff I bought, so I might just reuse it. Apparently you want about 100 mil around each edge. Lucky this is the last one, because I'm right out of the stuff. Alright, so you get this tool, roller on one end and corner pinch in the other end. And first I will do this short side. You don't really have to keep it tight because it pulls in quite a way. But I'm more interested in keeping it straight. So I'll do the long side. Now this is where you use your corner. Get it right in, get it tight. Now this doesn't look tight, but when you push your next piece of rubber in on the opposite side, it does tighten up quite a bit. But I still like to hold it with my hand to get it right. Alright, literally had just enough. Alright, I'll flip this around so I can move close to the edge. Then I can put my full 90 something kilos onto it. Oops. The pin keeps falling out of my tool. Alright, so what you do is you just need to hold it a bit steady with your hand. And then you just, obviously got to do a bit of work to get the corner in. Alright, corner's in. I think I need to find this pin. I'll put a screw in this, otherwise it's not going to work. Alright, I bodged it up. I melted a Tek screw into the hole. Now I can just roll this last bit. I'll just keep a hand on it just to keep it tight as I roll it in. And you'll notice as it rolls in, all the slack gets taken out. That's all pulled very tight, very happy with that. Now this excess I shall cut off. Use my corner tool here, get right in. All right, Now the next stage is cutting all the excess off. So what I like to do is go around and just cut it in the corners first, because you've got a big gather of screen in the corners, and that's the trickiest part to get off. I've got that one. I'll just go around and do them all. Sort of work these corners in. Don't want them to pop out. Especially these screens, because these screens are security screens, so they're pop riveted on. So you do not want these to have a problem. You want these to stay good for years. All right, all the corners are liberated. Now I just need to go and rip this excess off. So the best way to do it is to put your knife blade against your rubber and go along. Earlier I was doing it like that and the cut could be seen. So if you keep your blade nice and low, so the cut's right up against the rubber, you can't see where you've taken the paint off your frame. So that was a 6 metre roll. I got 2 doors and 3 windows out of that. Alright, now I just need to pop rivet this window back in and the whole house is finished.